Moscow. Russia's largest warship, Admiral Nakhimov, has reportedly completed repairs and upgrades to its various operating systems. The nuclear-powered missile cruiser, known as Project 11442M, is capable of carrying 8 Zircon hypersonic missiles. After completing repairs and upgrades at the Sevmash Shipyard, the Admiral Nakhimov is being prepared for delivery to the Russian Navy. The heavy nuclear-powered missile cruiser Admiral Nakhimov has been in service at the Sevmash Shipyard since 1999. Repairs and upgrades in the form of installing over 5,000 equipment items and over 1 million different items. The real work on the warship has been carried out since 2013 and will soon be handed over to the Russian Navy this 2022. Sevmash Shipyard has prepared and trained a Project 11442M ship delivery team. Its crew consists of workers, builders, adjustment and test engineers, designers, technologists and specialists from other professions. Overall, the delivery team consists of more than 1,000 people. Large-scale internal work has been carried out aboard Russia's largest warship, including painting and isolating key parts. About 200 kilometers of pipelines and 1,800 kilometers of cables are installed on the flagship of the Russian fleet. All electrical installation work is being carried out by specialists of the Arktika company. The designer of the project, the Severnoy Design Bureau, has also created a 3D model of the warship to work on the documentation. Sevmash CEO Mikhail Budnichenko said that work on upgrading the Project 11442M, codename Orlan, Admiral Nakhimov heavy nuclear-powered missile cruiser was progressing on schedule. The shipyard's chief executive said the upgrade had substantially increased the cruiser's attack capability. In particular, the warship will carry 10 multipurpose ship launchers for 8 caliber NK or Onyx cruise missiles. In fact, Admiral Nakhimov also carried the Tsirkon hypersonic missile as the ultimate weapon.